Hello everyone. This is the quick cut version of the coolant change video I released previously. Just a bit of a disclaimer, I could not get all of the parts to do a full coolant system change, so this is simply the coolant fluid change only. So not the thermostat or hoses or any of the gaskets, etc. You want to change your coolant every 3 years or 36,000 kilometers, which is 22,800 miles. Now my quick cut videos are simply that. They are quick cuts. They basically show you the location and what procedure to be doing at that time. I have no audio fill in for most of this video. It is simply text and just tells you what to do. Before you get started, you will want to remove your front seat, middle fairings, side covers, and both lower fairings. Okay, so to change the coolant, you're going to need at least 2.9 US quarts or 2.7 liters of coolant. It's better to have extra, so go ahead and just get a gallon. For the antifreeze, you will want to get either the 50-50 mixture, or if you get concentrate, you will need distilled water. A note about the distilled water, you need to use distilled water. Do not use tap water. Tap water contains minerals that will damage your cooling system. Please use distilled water. You will need a 8mm socket and socket wrench. You will also need a M6 or 6mm crush washer. Please change the crush washer. A lot of people end up reusing them, but that's how they end up having leaks form. Life will be a lot easier if you have a fluid transfer pump, and that's to get the coolant out of the reservoir and also pump new stuff into the radiator. But if you don't, that's fine. You will need a torque wrench. You'll want a drain pan or some way to catch the antifreeze. Probably want some shop towels or paper towels in case you make a mess. You will also need all the tools to remove your lower fairings. All the parts I have listed below, including for a full coolant change, including hoses and everything. I have all the parts listed below, but again, this video is just a coolant change. I'm sorry I can't go into the rest, but I need the parts before I rip some of that stuff out because they are one-time use. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.